Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a unboxing again of some phones I picked up on eBay. Alright, let's see what we got. So we'll start first up with this Motorola. Let's see where the model is. I don't see it, but there's like a model tag up there. H85XA, H6RR5AN. Oh, there it is. The i870. It's an Excel phone. It is Motorola, obviously. Looks to be in decent shape. Let me see if I have a Motorola battery we could test it with real quick. I wonder if this one will fit out of this V60 I have. There we go. Seems to be working. Alright, so there's that one. Put my battery back in here so I don't mix them up. I probably have a battery for that one then, because I think I have a couple extra one of these V60 batteries. Here is a Nokia 6215i on Verizon. Oh, looks like the antenna came unscrewed maybe. There we go. The rubbers come apart there. And on the top, as you can tell, it does turn on. It needs a pretty good cleaning, as you can tell. Especially between these keys. As you see, it works. Speaker doesn't sound very good either, but it's to be expected. Here is a Samsung SGHT 639. Now this is basically like the Hue, except for the GSM version. I already have two of the Altel ones, but I don't have one of these. So when I pick this one up, we'll have to see if we can get it to work. Let me see if I can find a battery real quick, actually. I'm gonna pause the video just real quick. Alrighty, so I grabbed my Altel one. So as you can tell, I want to see if this back cover will fit too, so I know if I can find one, if they'll interchange. Grab a T-Mobile SIM card. And we'll see. Oh, the batteries are different. What'd you look at? Well, let me see if I have one laying around here real quick. That would fit. Let me see if this back cover was the same though. And the back covers are different as well. Okay. So let me take a look, see if I have a battery real quick and we can test it out. Alright, so it doesn't appear I have a battery for that one. So we'll put the SIM card back and move on to the next one. But it looks to be in decent shape, I guess. The LCD doesn't seem to be cracked. Let me see if I have a Samsung charger already plugged in and stuff. We could just maybe plug it in and see if it does anything. I actually do have one right here. Let's go and plug it and see if anything happens. Nothing. I wonder if you have to have a battery in it though. Alright, so we'll put that one aside. we have this LG Rumor on Sprint. I think it's like the LG Banter, actually. Actually, nah, a little different. This one's a little bit more rounded compared to it. I have the box, that one up there. As you can see, fully works. Needs clean. Look at this big grill there. The Rumor 2. Because the original Rumor is like the LG Scoop. So, and then we have this iPhone 4S. That one is plugged in. Apparently the light just comes on. So I'll have to mess around with that. If not, it's got a really decent screen on it and a decent back that I'll be able to take parts off for one of my other ones. It's actually really clean. Look at that. So there's a little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.